Hey everyone, so here, day one here at Pittcon. Ron is busy talking to some customers.
Oh, somebody was thinking ahead.
We think so.
That's beautiful.
So the whole purpose of why we're here at Pittcon, we're finding out that lab automation really likes miniaturization, getting small. So we're highlighting our small valves, we're highlighting our small actuators, and it seems that we're bringing a lot of innovation here at Pittcon show. So, so far today has been a fantastic day. Ron's been busy doing most of the work as I've been taking pictures, but all in all, it's been really fun. It's just, you know, we're year two here at Pittcon down in Orlando, and it's so nice to meet so many faces that now know how to say the Koganei name correctly, which means that we are growing, we are starting to make an impact, and we're definitely getting the attention of these OEMs here. So we are whooped. It's been a good first day on our feet since 8 a.m. and we got about 30 minutes left in the show, and then we'll have some more updates for tomorrow.